Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make what I'm calling a simple and easy vanilla shake. The first thing you need is plant milk. Pour it, and you need a half of a cup. Pour it in. I don't have a spatula to get it all because there's some clinging to the sides. It makes enough for one person. So if you want to make some for someone else, then just double it. Instead of half a cup, use a whole cup, okay? And each one of the other ingredients just double. You use a half a cup of banana, but because I cut it this way to freeze it, and it's a frozen banana. Some of you new subscribers may not know this, but I'm not crazy about banana. So I'm always trying to figure out a way around banana or lowering the amount of banana and adding something else. And that's what I did in this recipe. I used about a half a cup because of the way I freeze them. So I'll put that in. And then I complemented it with a half a cup of chopped frozen apple. Then all you need are 2 spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. You're going to use a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Put it in. And get it all. And then put in a 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. So when you are cooking, if you will wash your hands, your fingers and your hands are the best tools you could use in the kitchen, okay? So I just scraped it out with my finger. That is it. And what will happen is you will have a very nice, cool drink because we're in summer and it's getting really hot out there, and this will be something that will be tasty for you. Okay, so I'm going to blend it up. If this is not sweet enough, I forgot to tell you that you could also put in a date. Now the first and second time I made it, it was just too sweet for the number of dates. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to just leave the dates out and see how it tastes. So if it's not sweet enough, I will put in, I have these little bar-high dates that I got in the winter time. They're very tiny and very sweet and good. And this is just a softened, that I keep in the refrigerator. This is just a medjool date. And I'm just going to put it here on the counter. I may use it. I want to taste it. Oh, that's plenty sweet for me. I don't need these dates. But if you taste this without dates and you need it, then just put in half a date, a small date, whatever. But this is way sweet enough for me. And that's really it. I'm just trying to get everything out of there because I'm a get it all girl. I like for sweet things to last a little longer, so I usually eat it with a spoon or cut it in small pieces. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to taste it again. This is really good. No, it really is good. And it's nice and cool, and it's very hot here today. If you wanted to make it real fluffy, you could probably add a couple of ice cubes. And the ice cubes would water it down, so then you may want to put in a date. Try it out. I mean, these are the basic ingredients, but just try it out and see what really pleases your palate, okay? This is what pleases mine, and I hope it'll please yours as well. This is really the end of the video, and I'm so glad that you troopers came into my kitchen to find out how to make a simple and easy vanilla shake for this hot weather we're having. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to leave me some comments below when you try this, or if you just like the video and you want to let me know. Okay? So until next time, guys. Bye for now. It's really not bad, I'm not lying.